Let's see how to create profile after registration. After you click register, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email from the SoulMate and click here to activate your account. You'll be taken to the home page. In the upper right corner, select login, enter your username, password and press login. If you are on a personal device, you can check remember me for easier access next time. You'll land on your new profile page, which will be empty at first. To begin, go to the user details section on the left and choose edit profile. In the personal information section, add your details like gender, which cannot be changed later, date of birth, day, month, year, country of residence, state, city and zip codes are optional but recommended. Next, complete the profile questions including religion, nationality, marital status, monthly income and employment status. Use the About Me area to introduce yourself and share your interests. For privacy, you can mark any field as private with the checkbox provided. You may also upload a profile photo and choose whether only approved friends can view it. When finished, click Update to save your profile.